How's it going today, guys? I was working on a little project here for myself, a little rocket stove that I saw some plans online. Actually, they were from Defiant Metal. He's got his plans online. After watching the video, I've always wanted to build a rocket stove. We have a bunch of sweet gum balls around this place, and I get tired of raking them up every year and putting them into big piles, and I thought I can burn them with this, no problem. So, as I was working on this, I got some time to think, and my folks and grandparents always told me don't put all your eggs in one basket, and I'm sure a lot of you have heard that as well. So, not only do I have this YouTube channel, but I have a channel over on BitChute, spelled B-I-T-C-H-U-T-E, under the same name, Base Speed and Machine. So if you get the chance, go check it out. It's the same channel, but with this day and age, how stuff's going, you don't know if you won't have access to your account, or should I say, get deplatformed, as some people. I'm not too worried about it, but again, I was always told, don't put your eggs in one basket. So, if you get the chance, go check it out. Subscribe to me over there as well. I appreciate all the support you guys give me. Thanks for watching.